The powerful Dyson V6 cord-free vacuum cleaner offers easy cleaning for your entire home. With up to 20 minutes of runtime, you have plenty of time to move around the house comfortably, picking up all the dirt before having to recharge. The motorized cleaner head effectively cleans both carpets and hard floors, ensuring that all floor types are dust and dirt-free. With additional combination and crevice tools, you can instantly adjust the vacuum into handheld and clean the hard-to-reach areas with ease. The Dyson V6 cord-free vacuum cleaner is easily maneuverable and will help to make your home feel hygienic and tidy in an instant.